In this video, I'll show you how to install ChatGPT on your MacBook as a standalone app. First, open Google Chrome on your Mac. For this method, make sure you're using Chrome rather than Safari. Next, click the address bar, type ChatGPT, and press Enter. Open the official OpenAI website at chatgpt.com, then sign into your account if necessary. Once the ChatGPT website is open, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Select Cast, Save, and Share. Then click Install Page as App. Enter a name for the application. I'll keep the name as ChatGPT. After that, click Install. ChatGPT will now open in its own app window. This means you can close Google Chrome and continue using ChatGPT separately, just like any other application on your Mac. To open it again later, go to Apps, search for ChatGPT, and click the application. And that's it. You've successfully installed ChatGPT as an app on your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.